So here is the original Scrubba with the old style valve. I've included some of the dissolving sheets. This is for a full-size load. This is for a small load, or you can even do that for delicates or a really small load. And then I always use the color catchers, and I just tear them into strips so that one sheet does many loads. And here's the new Scrubba with this awesome valve, which I need to learn how to work. It says twist. Okay, there we go. So yeah, that. And I just tested it for patency a minute ago to make sure that there wasn't any holes in the bag. So I'll take one more picture of them both inflated.
Yeah. Good.